In this video, I will explain the early stage in designing a module for mathematics subject for fourth grader in the fraction field, especially addition and subtraction. The first stage is analysis. Why is this module needed? This module is needed because to help students in learning fraction. Students are hard to learn fractions because some of them often lack in foundation skills in whole number. Students tend to have misconception about fraction because of they associating whole number concepts with fractional understanding. And the initial target audience for this module is fourth grade elementary school students. The second grade is design. The module focuses on interpreting measurements such as adding and subtracting fraction. One question in the module contains a word problem, because students sometimes struggle to interpret word problems with multiplicative variable. In order to avoid student confusion, each problem is related to each other. The third stage is development. There is three suggestions from the reviewer. The first is the content is generally good and challenging, and in scratch page instruction provide more details such as a definition of fraction, and adding instruction may help students understand how to play the game. The second is the game is fun and awesome because the design makes it easy for students to grasp the material and questions. However, there is no instruction or introduction about fraction, so students who are unfamiliar might struggle to answer. And the third is the Scratch is easy to use for children with any mobile that they choose, and the appearance is interesting with the picture of fraction in circle. Overall, the feedback talk about the instruction, and I admit that there is no instruction in the Scratch, so it might be confusing for the students to use the Scratch. And this is the Rowley research. And this is the Rowley result. The Rowley result shows that the module is good to go because most of the feedback are at 5. And the fourth stage is implementation. The target audience used to be a fourth grader, but there are some considerations that put on, such as that is difficult to find fourth grader around the area, so that the audience changed to 3 university students who are struggling with fraction operation. And the implementation process done by offline and online. The respondents play with the module and they give their opinion after play with the model through a G-form. Two of them are didn't want to photograph during the process, therefore there is only one documentary for the process. And the last stage is evaluation. The survey construct using a research paper by Kay and Kinect at the year 28, which contain 40 questions and divided into 3 sections, which is learn, quality, and engagement. 12 questions using scale and 2 questions are open-ended type of question. So this is the result. This is the result for learn, and this is for the quality. This is for the engagement. And for the open-ended question, the answer is there anything you like about the module? The audience like the theme, the transition, and the variety of question. And is there anything you didn't like about the module? And the audience said that the wrong sounds of the wrong answer. The question is not the exciting to see, and the last is the model is not the enjoyable. And how the model would be used? The model can be used as an exit ticket after students complete the learning process to see whether students get the core material or not. In the conclusion, this project might prompt a question research which is there any improvement in students' proficiency when learning fraction in addition and subtraction as a result of this project. That is all from me. Thank you for sticking up until the end of this video. Thank you.